So what are the ingredients we're getting today?
Today we get yam, sweet potato, cocoa, dasheen, breadfruit, scallion and thyme, pepper. You know, what about ingredients? I mean, and everybody puts so much ingredients in a for them soup, but Bulbie soup are number one because they know we spend a lot of money to make the pot work. So at least today on our day and see what it actually costs to cook a pot of soup. Cutie, good morning. So them have pump me the dry yam, you know, like me know a boy soup, them have look more reasonable, we can work with them.
So what's the reason for coming to the market this early?
The always say early bird catch the most worm. So in the circumstances that we have said, you're early, you get the better products, you get to pick and choose what you want. More now cook, now for reason with the food. Cocoa don't let me down today. All heap of nice people that come drink soup, so don't let me down cocoa. I look on them big pretty cocoa here. By the time you reach at 9 o'clock, them are done. Nobody now pass them.
And this is what kind of make the soup go over the top.
Them thing I make a soup rich. Give soup body, you know. Much is sweet potato now. I take 10 pounds of sweet potato too. Sometimes people say, Bulbie, you put sugar in the soup. But sweet potato, you have the yellow belly sweet potato, then make a soup sweet. Tastes like you literally put sugar in it, but not sugar, the potato. So that's a part of the ingredients to the red peas soup.
Alright.
See all the dasheen and big and you get them big dasheen and them big cocoa. That's a luxury. I see them breadfruit and I see them a yellow heart breadfruit.
You're getting a lot of things. How much soup you're cooking, so?
At the pot, 2 pots of soup, but all of them are going to the soup. That's why you have some soup rich and nice, someone. Them pepper when you cook the soup and pull your pot, you smell all the pot from way out. And then all you have to do is burst the pepper and smell it. You see, a lot of the burst it, the people when you buy it from sea, because they cost you. Yeah, burst it neatly and smell it. Alright, you smell it, you have flavor. So whatever smell you smell, when you cook your food, that's how your food gonna smell. Alright, you see the flavor pepper, scallion and thyme them now, and the pimento. See the pimento seed them.
So that's the secret ingredient?
Yeah. A lot of people cook soup and just throw everything in the pot one time. No, that's wrong. Soup now work, come out the right way.
So how long your soup takes to cook?
My soup normally take about 2 hours tops to cook, you know. Central Plaza half a 3 minutes. And my mother does Tuesday to Saturday. I go there 11:30, normally soup done by 1 o'clock or 2-1. So, you know, kind of fast.
So the prices are still fluctuating this week, but nonetheless, you can come out and do some bargaining and some shopping this weekend. Bulbie, how did you find your shopping experience?
This week was way better. The other week was a bit spiky in prices, but this week, very economical. I love it.
All right, until next time, guys. Bye.